Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 13 Pro and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find either the Google section or accounts and sync. It's up to you, I prefer this one, so let me tap on it and then tap on add account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. In this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it quickly and correctly and tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and there you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, here we've got our Google section with our Google account. We just successfully added it. Of course, you can always remove the account whenever you want to. Just tap on more and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.